Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over SEO, search engine optimization, and how SEO configurations are set on the Inhouse Cloud platform. I'm currently in the app builder in our demo application. So right here, we have a very simple app. It just has a bunch of user profiles. I think we have about 10 users here. If we were to click on the view profile, we will be redirected to the profile page with the individual user's data displayed, and and it's always going to show the data of the selected user. Okay, so to work on the SEO configuration, all you need to do is get into the page manager. So I have my two pages, my index page that has our profile, user profiles, and then the profile page. All right. So if I jump into the index page, fairly quickly, I basically see our SEO configuration. All right. So right here we have something called dynamic SEO. So, on this platform, we have static SEO and dynamic SEO. And it's pretty simple. Static SEO is just like, static text. For example, in our index page, we are using static SEO, right? We just have a text here called user profiles. This is our title, and we have a phrase here, user profiles for our demo app, and this is our meta description. These are basically SEO tags. We have other configurations like no index, no follow, no image index, no snippet, no archive. And these are all just SEO configurations that you can basically set with a click. And then we have our open graph settings. This is, this comes in handy when we're trying to share links, when we're trying to, use our apps in social media, platforms, and so on and so forth. All right. So to just wrap this whole dynamic versus static conversation, static is basically just static, right? You set it, and and what you see is what you get. Whereas dynamic lets you set the SEO tags to app data, right? So right here in our index page, it's static. We're just setting our SEO tags to some static text. But in our profile page, we are using dynamic SEO, and we are setting our SEO tags to app data. In this case, the title, we're setting that to the user's first and last name. And then the description, we're setting that to the user's email. The same thing with the open graph title tag and the description. It's very straightforward. And it just comes in very handy when you have like your dynamic pages where, you're trying to show, it may be a page like our profile page that's going to show different data based on a query. Um, it just helps search engines to be able to come into your app or your website and basically traverse all your links and then index that content. So we have our profile page. If we did not have this configuration, then we would have to have 10 different pages for our 10 users, but instead we're able to use one page and basically dynamically set the user's data based on the ID. All right, so real quick, let's, launch our application and then go to the live app and view it for ourselves. All right, over here we have the deployed application. As you can see right off the bat, we see the user profiles. And remember that this is our index page, and we set it to that static text user profiles. If we were to inspect and look into the head of our site, you can see the title, right? It says user profiles. You can see the description. It says user profiles for our demo application. And the same thing with the OG title and OG description. And for the other OG tags, we did not configure anything, so it just has the default uh, configuration. All right. And if we go into our profile pages, as you can see, the title of the page is going to be set to the name of our user. So that was Warren Marvin. Let's go to Katia Harbor. As you can see, that is also reflected in our SEO tags. If I were to inspect this page, I can see, if I look into the head, that our title, we might have to fish for it. All right, there we go. Our title is Cartier Harbor. The description is Cartier Harbor at email.com. And the OG title and the description also are set to the same. All right. So this is a real quick, demo and just a quick guide to SEO on the platform. There are a ton of other SEO tools that are built into the platform to make it rank, but this is just a way to show you how to configure your SEO tags in a quick and easy way. Remember, you could do this in a static way where it's just a fixed text that doesn't change, or you can make it dynamic where you can connect it to app data and have it change based on whatever relevant data, right? And the use cases for this are endless, right? This could be a list of blogs. This could be a list of cars. This could be a list of user profiles. It could be a list of posts on a social media site. It could be anything you want it to be. If you want the search engines to be able to traverse and index it, you can do that on the Inhouse Cloud platform. All right. Thank you. I will see you in the next one.